All right, yes, the storm is exiting off to the east, and a wind chill advisory has been posted for all areas as temperatures and wind will combine across the region to create some pretty tricky conditions, not only for us, but weather kids too. It is our Weather Kid Night. Joining us from the Luther Family Ford Weather Kid Night, Caleb Hansen. Get on out here. Where do you go to school, Caleb?
Liberty Middle School.
Good. And what grade are you in?
6.
Okay. And favorite subject? Do you have one?
Math.
So you're a numbers person. Very good. Anybody you want to say hi to real quickly before we start talking about the chilly details?
Hi, people.
People.
Yep.
I like people too. Give them a big wave. All right. Step over here. And now outside it's been a little tricky to see. And when we look out across North Dakota, visibility's 5 to 10 miles, not too bad. But looking across Minnesota, step over here. Why don't you point out the area where it is the trickiest to see out there right now?
Detroit Lakes.
Very good. Detroit Lakes out in the Lakes country still seeing reduced visibilities, as is portions of the Red River Valley of western Minnesota. Now, the winds are strongest out here in Minnesota, where we still have gusts over 30 miles per hour. What is the wind speed in Fargo right now, Caleb?
It's 18 currently in Fargo.
Very good. And taking a look at the rest of our current conditions, we'll sneak back over here as we show people how cold it's getting. First of all, tell us the temperature and what it feels like outside.
Right now it's minus 6 degrees, and it feels like negative 28.
Wow,
29.
that is cold out there, and the wind is blowing at 18, as you just mentioned. Elsewhere across the region, where's the coldest on the North Dakota side of the river?
Langdon.
Good. 11 below there, 6 below, no picnic in Grand Forks, and 8 below in Valley City. As we sneak across and look on the eastern side of the Red River, where's the coldest temperature you see there?
Yeah.
Thief River Falls.
Yeah,
that's hard to read, isn't it? You got to look really close like
Yep.
Hutch does here. Go like that. Look closer, then you can see it. All right, taking a look. It's cold out there everywhere. And here's a look at the satellite and radar. Do you see any rain, sleet, snow, clouds, or anything?
Nope.
No, it's crystal clear, and we're starting to see the wind decrease. Where is it not so clear right now?
In Duluth.
Yeah, Duluth. Green Bay.
Green Bay.
Green Bay. What's the blue stuff on the map here?
Snow.
So we have rain where it's warm enough for rain out to the far east, and that changes to snow in places off to the west as we head into the Great Lakes region. Here's our forecast as we set it into motion, and our wind speed will be the biggest thing that will continue to taper off tonight. And by 10 o'clock, if you happen to be out walking the dog, do you like walking the dog?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What'll the temperatures be like at 10 o'clock tonight?
In Fargo, it'll be minus 14 out.
Okay, how about up in Langdon?
It'll be negative 20.
That's pretty chilly. Now, it only gets even chillier as we go through the overnight hours. We put our head on the pillow tonight. We rise and shine, and when we're getting ready to step outside, should we be wearing snowsuits and hats and mittens, or shorts and flip-flops?
Snowsuits, hats, and mittens.
All right, this is the actual air temperature, 20 to 30 below across the region, and a few in the 30s below out there with enough wind. It don't take a lot of wind. These are wind chill values. Go ahead and read off a couple dandies there.
In Detroit Lakes, it'll be 33, negative 33 out.
Good, and as cold as 45 below for wind chill values at the bus stop in the morning. That's the kind of weather you can brag about, right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, by lunchtime, does it get real warm out?
Warmer.
Warmer, that's right. And still very sunny across the region. A few clouds down to the south. After school, what kind of temperatures can kids in Devil's Lake expect?
Negative 16.
Okay, and how about the hot spot on the map way down here in Sisseton?
They'll expect, negative 5.
Negative 5, that's right.
Yep.
Okay, so now let's break it down for kids at the bus stop in the morning, your classmates and people that we waved at earlier. Tell them what they can expect.
You're going to expect negative 25 out and 6-mile-per-hour winds.
Very good. Brutally cold out there, and after school, does it look like a good to head out and play some basketball outside?
No.
No, maybe some hockey, though.
Yep.
9 below. Here's your hometown temperature. Where's the coldest spot on the map you're seeing right now?
Devil's Lake.
Good. 16 below there. Things warm up a little bit, but everybody below 0 for the entirety of the day. Say, this is an effect we get when there's ice crystals in the atmosphere and the sun is shining out there. Do you know what we call this little ring around the sun?
Sundogs.
Good. Sundogs are right over here, the bright spots, and this is called a halo, believe it or not. This was in Jamestown, and Kara uploaded that picture. Now, I want you to take a look at this 7-day forecast for me and tell us all about Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon.
Saturday morning, it's going to be negative 25.
Good. And then how about Saturday afternoon?
It's going to warm up to be negative 8 out.
Okay, so we're below 0 through Saturday, and then Sunday morning we're still below 0. But look at this. Are there any negatives in front of that 9 there?
No.
No, we warm up a bit. It'll be a picnic on Sunday with a few flurries out there. Martin Luther King Day, we celebrate that as we see temperatures drop right back off the charts to 30 below by Tuesday morning. Caleb, step with me. Outstanding job, young fella. First and foremost, are you a fan of the winter season? What's your favorite season out there?
Winter.
Winter?
Yep.
Okay, good. Well, you're at home. Then you like shoveling and all that good stuff too, huh?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, hey, I've got a driveway that needs shoveling.
I knew it. She doesn't pay for it.
I do pay well, I do.
Okay, I'm sorry. Great job tonight, Caleb.
All right, thank you. Okay, in our